I was at home and I was eating. I wasn't eating anything hard, actually, and I felt a little twinge in my tooth. And then I started to get pain because I was worried it was something serious because I almost felt the pain deeper than other tooth issues I had. I had gotten a referral. Someone had told me about Dr. Orenstein at the dental specialist. So I came into the dental specialist and Dr. Orenstein was able to see me right away.
So when Mary came to us, she had broken a tooth far below the gum line and was in need of immediate attention. So what we decided to do for Mary's case was a laser gum surgical procedure, as well as an in-office same-day crown. That way we were able to achieve her treatment same day, start to finish, in a short time period.
So the day of the procedure, I was extremely nervous. I'm not a big fan of going to the dentist. And the first thing, like from the moment that I walked into the dental specialist, the staff, they were very kind. They treated me well. I sat down with Dr. Orenstein and he completely put me at ease. He explained the entire procedure, so there was going to be no surprises. Every step of the way, he asked me if I was doing okay. But honestly, throughout the whole procedure, I didn't feel a thing.
Since Mary had the treatment, her gums have healed up fine. She's using the tooth just like normal, and she's back to a healthy dental lifestyle.
After the procedure, once the numbness wore off, I was very tentative to eat on that at all because I was worried that the pain would still be there. And it was fine. Thanks to Dr. Orenstein, my tooth is fine and I don't have any issues. And that's why I honestly love coming in here and I feel comfortable. I'm not as afraid at the dentist.